Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own custom formula to use directly in the Workbench views inside of Akoonu's RevWorks platform. So to get to the formulas, start by clicking the formula button in the toolbar. This is something that you need to be an Akoonu sales admin to access. And click New Formula. So I'm going to recreate one of the existing formulas I have, which is to track the attainment for a manager's own deals and own quota versus their quota for the team. So this is something that's actually a challenge to do directly in Salesforce. So I will call it manager quota to track the manager's own performance and attainment. I need to select a primary forecasting type. I'm going to select opportunity revenue, which means that this formula will be available in views that have the primary forecasting type of opportunity revenue or one of its compatible forecasting types. So then you select the return type. In this case, we'll return a percent since this will be an attainment metric. I should put that in the name. And you can see that it made the note here that it will return the decimal value. So we don't need to multiply by 100 as part of the formula. Now let me build the formula expression. I'll click on the center button here. And now this lets me select an element for the formula. There are 4 types of elements. There's fields, there's numbers, there's operators, and there's a handful of functions, min, max, round, absolute value, that can be used in the formula. So my formula will be pretty simple. It's just going to be a basic division, and it will start with dividing the closed amount, the owner only, from the owner only category of fields, I'll select the closed amount and add that to my formula. So now I have the first element here. When I hover over it, I can see I can insert new elements before and after or delete this element. So I'll insert one after, and I actually find it helpful to put a couple placeholders in while I'm building the formula. So I'm starting with the closed amount. Now I'm going to make this a division. So I'll select the divide operator. And then let me select the divisor. So the top is the owner's only closed. And I know that my manager's individual quota is in the custom fields. Owner quota. So now I have my formula set up. It's just the way I want it. Click Save. And now the manager quota attainment has been added to my formula list and is now available to include in views. So that's how easy it is to add your own custom formulas. It's point and click. All the fields available in Workbench are available in the formulas. And you can build out things that do that job that you're typically exporting data to a spreadsheet to do right inside the Workbench with the real-time data all the time. Thank you very much for joining me.